Example number 2, solve for the equation. We notice that we got the number is 1, -3, and -4. So they will be represent for the ABC. Now how can we make the x squared minus 3x minus 4 equals 0? Then the x will be z squared minus 5. We will use the u for that. Okay, so u will represent for z squared minus 5. So u is z squared minus 5. Then the original equation we will get is u squared minus 3u minus 4 equal to 0. We factor this equation as u and u, 4 and 1, then minus 4 plus 1. U equal to 4 and u equal to -1. After that, we need to solve for the z. So z squared minus 5 is u and is equal to 4. The second one is z squared minus 5 equal -1. We will get z squared equal to 9 and z equal plus minus 3. The second equation, we get z squared equal to 4 and z equal plus minus 2. We can check this problem. So for example, I'm going to use x equal plus z equal to plus minus 2 to plug back in and check. So plus minus 2 square minus 5 square minus 3, then plus minus 2 square minus 5 minus 4 equals 0. Plus minus 2 square give us 4, and 4 minus 5 is -1. So the first one will get -1 square minus 3. We also get -1 for the second term. Now we simplify. So we got 1 plus 3 minus 4. And this gives us the two statement. So you're going to check z equal to plus minus 3. It will be the same thing. And the answer for this problem will be z equal plus minus 2 and z equal plus minus 3. Example number 3, we want to solve for the equation. For this equation, we recognize that we have a square root. If you want, you can solve this equation by isolate everything on one side and the square root on the other side. But we are in this section. So let's think about u squared. So we have 3, right? And then 5u. So 5 of something minus 2 equal to 0. Then to fill in the parentheses, the term have to be x to the 1/2. The reason why is 2 times 1/2 will give us 1. So we use the power rule. We need to multiply the two numbers to get 1. And we got x to the 1/2 again for the square root of x. Then we will let u equal x to the 1/2. Then we can solve this equation by factor. So we got 3u and 1u. Now we're going to play with the 2 and the 1. So we're going to put 2 in here and 1 here. Then multiply inside, multiply outside. And we got -5u. We want to get that, so we should have -6 plus 1. So plus 1 and -2. Then we solve for each parenthesis. We will minus 1 both sides and divide it by 3. We will get the first one is u is negative 1/3 and u equal to positive 2. Now we need to solve for the x, right? So x 1/2 equal negative 1/3 and x 1/2 equal 2. Square root of x is negative 1/3 and square root of x equal 2. You recall that we solve for the equation that contains the square root. We want to square both sides, okay? Then we get x equal 1/9 and x equal to 4. Again, we need to check this problem. Whenever we have a problem solving the equation, we need to check, and especially with the radical, we have to check, okay? It's mandatory to check. Then we check x equal to 1/9. So 3 times 1/9 minus 5 times square root of 1/9 minus 2 equals 0. So we got 1/3 minus 5 times 1/3 minus 2 equals 0. The LCD is 3. Then we got 1 minus 5 minus 2 equal to 0. And you can see that negative 4/3 minus 2, it cannot be 0. Okay, so it's false. So that's why we need to cross out the 1/9. Then we check x equal to 4. So we got 3 times 4 minus 5, square root of 4 minus 2 equals 0. 12 minus 5 times 2 minus 2 equal to 0. And then we have 12 minus 10 minus 2 equal to 0. This gives us the true statement. So then we got the answer is x equal to 4.